You see, there was the levels of maturity. A young local village man. Yes. From the small boy to the transition of a young man. Yes. Yes. Kusaliwa, kupaswa tohala, kufika kuoa, moving forward. But there was a stage which would define and tell a lot about the future of a young man. Yes. Kiharro kiraikagia mwanake ucio. Yes.
Haria ndiru ginya muhiriga wako wacecaga.
Yes.
Makajia kumenya where to start placing you.
Exactly. And where to put, so whether they should manage their
expectations.
You see, mundu mara makona ito cycle of poverty yo come break. Well, never mind, sometimes you would prove them wrong.
A few later in life, surprises.
Huge surprises. Yes. Heke to get a word. No monarchy, you can cook marali. Of course, there was the preparation, psychological and the physical. Physical, it was mostly own initiative. Initiative only. How never society question. You are few? Mustakabali wako ulikuwa unatiliwa shaka kuanzia mahala wapi?
Mahala pale.
Mahala hapo. Because if it was own initiative, no one you're preparing for a new you. Yes.
Na riu kiundu kiu kiajagia mundu ekuma standard 6.
6-7 ni hau uguo. Ogionia kigitareri kagitara is not warming up to kuruari.
Okamenya here we are about to have a problem.
But there were those who were proactive and would look forward. Yes. No one negotiated. He has already begun the pilgrimage journey. And the hallmark yako Tokyo as a proactive and futuristic young man nikwira ati urafatara kiubu.
Very true.
Yes. Ukajira ukuhalirira ogwo ukathi kwi mama guratulire bao
ukahoya tumathirebu tuiganona
ukahoya zito cut off
nimo mathirebu
ukahoya off cut ciganona ugacibanga hau ugathie kianda ukarora muthanduku uria murugamu wega ukauvanga. The parents would mahuragira roe muhuko
makamenya riu no wagea hakiri
makamenya oyu uri psycho yake he has normal growth.
he is walking
the stride as it should be.
The expectations.
Yes. Ukona to makire ihe wakora agikinya korua cube yake is up and running.
Kiubu ge sawa
gewima
nimamenyeranite.
Yes.
Na nia yetie riu gwika tu maundu guo
ona nia kiumetie tiri
nikire house warming
ona nia riri ku maita maiganona. Yes. Of course, expecting the big feat when eventually he goes to get ngetiod. There was some well ona nimo ciari ugathiriri karaoke yatiriri ndi kuona tarona ari angi ni marethera ciubu uria cio karuira kwa nyokwa. The statements they would work on your ego
a lot. Yo karuira
especially okay you ka kau mbere ya andu. And some people you would tell the future of a young man kurigana oria detail area ahea cube ya. Yes. You see, the cube was always detached. Yes.
Cube riu ni giakago riu kidogo kuma kuma na riu na kuria main house.
Yes. Ogionia mwanake kana kahi karanyitithania cube na nyumba eno nene. He's avoiding one wall, so he's lazy.
Huyu ako na shida.
thoguo kagaya kiguga kuihwo murio akakiharagania giothe ugiconoka ukawakirira nyukua ino uyu
what are you
haria muembe-ini ndugoke na guku
na thuri ri thoguo ri do very little or nothing uguteithia waki wa cube.
Actually nothing. What little? That is not anything, is not priority. Aguteithia
akumbago maitho
akithia ye
akumbago maitho akamenya okay
uria mekaga ri nionaga probably tondu wa judgment ya the richer brothers aigirire mabati maya mana maiguru tu ere kana gutigaye tuike ningi araruithirie mwana aurithirie
ni arekereirie ciana.
Yes, there was some young men mathondeka cube ukona nginya tare resort. Yes, agathondeka kiubu kigithiru magatheti ikabandikwo magatheti
na ona effort ya gwetha ngatheti ndiari o nini
uraruta kwa ngatheti nyake
gicagi umenye kwanja ngatheti tiari nyoneki
utoe wapi
ukaigania ngatheti cia kuhunia kiubu kigima ri you have worked
urute kwa ngatheti rari
kirenga
Hedio kwa ni muthigiriri ona ndui mundu thoma ngatheti you have to outsource na nikiona ciubu nyingi ri ciakorwo ciurite msamiati wa Kiswahili to taifa ndio cioneka
taifa ndio yonekaga wewe bora nginya uri
ukona koigi kizimbani. No, they would put up a lot of effort. Ona mutu wako mandikiririo rarutako
tondu ciake mandikagiririo na mutu wa ngano.
Yes, ugakukwa kura kimwithondekete by the time arangetio he's occupying a new abode.
Yes
na mathondeka nginya party you know the balcony area
hauja nginya agathondeka ka bench handu ari ikaraga uguo atariwa
ni eroreie kuria marigo-ini na ngurumo cia kanda. Yes,
na agethondekera nginya ka hanging line gake hau
wega biu
ahura nguo ndari andika mikanda-ini kwa nyina
na ni athondekete rikiraine ya kwenjerwo thi jezi yake okari matiragera kuria
acha
maroka mokete VIP. Yes, maikara hau lounge-ini
kwenje ungiakorire mundu ate kiubu giake ni ahandite live fence.
Yes,
iki mahua na ka maintain wega
na tinya njoe kana kinya mwege kiria one mburi gitagwo atia gikiruru
maruru
something outsourced to who say hago na kahanda money plant ethiururukite hau na gacuria mbica hau ya Lucky Dube.
Sasa unajua huyo
you will tell mundu ucio family ni ekira mwoko hariwe makona mundu uyu uri there is a cycle he will
uhena mwihoko
but there are people with horrible cubes ciana go down ya makara they would not care fatania kirathi ngoinya
we bore da hakwirekia
ona gwakio gwatira ndĩ na kindu kingi reflect
na nduma ta nyungu
nĩ kwi uria ũngĩathondekire kiubu giaku nginya thoguo na nyũkwa rĩ maigue thoni ya kurehe family inputs
kundu kuu
mone no he uria ũngĩakire ĩtuĩke thito wagararage mbaru gĩthitoro
na miuko ya bataraitha ya majani.
Yes, na ng'ombe yacia tondu gacaũ gatiraranja rĩ ũgakorwo wĩ in company of your fellow livestock. There are people who are careless.
No ne kuri andu matari ruu
They were not innovative.
yona we cube ri ruu rauma akona ciothe kinya ndathingite marima kuria
Na maragirwo ni ndungata hau maciarirwo muno kuhikania You see, rikare ria Nyagethae matigi understand. Matigi understand that impression ya mbere ya muki hari mwanake
mugia ako asesa kuringana na kiubu giaku
ne kia it was the tell me more about yourself ne kiubu. Yes.
Na rĩngĩ akomba gũikia cio ũguo atũmĩtwo kũu kwanyu ũguo.
Yes.
Akamenya kĩrĩa nĩkĩo kiubu kĩa njamba.
Yes.
Ũrĩa na mũtwe.
Ũrĩa na hakiri.
Ukakona gathũnũ kake akamenya. Hapa
unaona akona nginya kahororeirwo mĩcumarĩ mwembe-inĩ mũkũrũ. Kaya this one is a non-starter.
Hapa sioni familia tukianza.
Hapa hakuna mustakabali, no future.
Hatiri na manifesto.
Naguo tondu no ngirora rũgongo tũgĩkũra rĩ. There are some young men who would have a stream of girls. No cube na kĩo wathondeka rĩ, the proactive and innovative kind. Wathondeka cube na igathondekerwo fire exit. To mwaka ũingĩrĩre kĩhingo.
Get an independent runway.
Yes. There was a taxiway. Ya kurehe rĩu contraband.
Illicit.
Illegal proliferation of girls.
And hijacked love.
Yes. Where's you buamenyaga? Mũndũ ũcio traffic ya miji gwake rĩ. Nĩarĩgia na control tower. Ĩkiubu akora nginya gacira kau atemeire nĩgetha eka maflaji wega nĩakahandĩire rũgiri mwena na mwena.
Yes.
It's like a tunnel. Oigua James, no ũcio arakubia nja. Ebori. Hĩndĩ nĩguo mũbungu ararekio. No, the cube will tell a lot about you.
A lot.
Cube. My homo ya mafuku ma cukuru makamarenga ngoguo like it's all confetti. Ici tũgũraci tũgacuria.
Kũgemia.
Organic confetti. Karengererwo guo. Mathondeka nginya tarĩ gypsum. Angela I think nĩo matwĩkire mabundi ma gypsum. Ikathondekwo nginya gapateni hane akuĩ. Looks like a chandelier.
Gĩcoke kĩohwo rwĩmbo.
Na angĩ nao rĩu arĩa matharĩkĩra roro ingĩra kiubu kĩu mũirĩtu akĩwĩbatire amba kaka. A expansion and
contraction.
Yona
hapa
ina ne beaston. Ina ne beaston. Hakuna kazi.
Hakuna matumaini ya baba ya watoto.
Wajogonie mũndũ wakinya gũfanish cube gĩake. Agatumithio rĩrĩ na gĩtĩ. Kwa fundi loko.
Gĩtĩ.
Agatumithia gĩtĩ gĩake. Yes. Agacoka akinya ndũrũ agĩfanish na electronic. Nĩ cube kĩarĩ rwĩmbo. Cube nĩ rwĩmbo.
Cube nĩ rwĩmbo.
Yes. Tondũ kũ silent mode ndiaruta.
Rwĩmbo naruo nĩ rwakabaga maũndũ maingĩ. Mũno mehia.
The atrocities of them were canvassed in the hood of music. You know, they were canvassed.
Ira ijaja na wote thiri.